the center. So on this side, we've got a Huracan with the performance parts that they offer, the carbon body kit parts. Coming back through, we've got normal traffic coming through, but the start line is where all the action is taking place, just up there in front of us. A line of cars here coming together. We've got a Huracan armed with Lamborghini's extra parts, the carbon wing on the back of it that you can see. Then we've got the Porsche GT2 RS following that. Ultimate Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the 2018 Gumball 3000 from London to Tokyo. Now today, so this is such a cool place here. What a location for the grid. This is mega! My days, I forgot the craziness of the Gumball 3000 grids, giving out t-shirts. Thank you to everyone who's bought them from the ski shop as well. The design to be made from London to Tokyo. That we're standing around here with all of these cars. There are different car parks then for flight number 2 and for flight number 3 and for the cars that are staying here where mine is currently, but I'm going to move it in a moment. So it's looking busy. I'm not entirely sure what happens next, but we'll go with the flow. A nightclub of sorts. This is Gumball there. We're going to be boarding in a moment. Seeing the cars going in, confetti cannons going off. How crazy! It goes deaf when this thing is around. Huracan rolling out, AMG GTR rolling out, SLR. The two green cars together. That's really loud. I can't even hear this downshifting. This is where we can pull a very, very sneaky one because we have the ETC. Is so loud it basically shakes us as well. It has to be turbocharged. There's so much whistle going on. Where's it from? Romania. Let's come around and park up somewhere, maybe right here. This looks good. We arrive at the grid. Quite a few Gumball cars here actually. So this